SuperKids. Car. This is a car. It takes people from one place to another. Bus. Here's a bus. It takes people to school and work. Bicycle. This is a bicycle. You can ride it using pedals. Motorbike. A motorbike is fast. Truck. Trucks carry heavy things like boxes and food. Auto rickshaw. This is an auto rickshaw, common in many cities. Ambulance. Ambulances help sick people. Police car. A police car keeps the city safe. Fire truck. Fire trucks help put out fires. Garbage truck. It helps clean our streets.